going to the beach today with buckets, shovels, joy and play. The sun is bright, the sky is blue. There's so much fun for me and you. Let's build a castle in the sand with towers tall and seashells grand. A moat around and flags so high, a sandy kingdom near the sky. We splash our feet into the sea and laugh with waves that chase so free. The water's cool, the breeze is sweet. We run around with sandy feet. We throw the beach ball in the air. It bounces high without a care. Mom and Dad and brother too catch it fast, then toss to you. We dig a hole, then dig some more, right by the big old ocean shore. We find a crab that waves hello, and tiny fish that come and go. We eat some snacks and take a rest. A beachside nap feels just the best. With fruity drinks and sunshine dreams, we drift away in golden beams. We dance around with music loud, our laughter rising like a cloud. Barefoot fun and happy cheer, we love this place, we love it here. The day goes on with smiles so wide, as waves come in with every tide. Holding hands, we feel so close. With family here, we love it most. Thanks to the beach for all the fun. The castle's made, the races run. Till next time when we're back to play, we wave goodbye to the sunny day.
Kids, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.